you have to have a place where innovation is possible. I think that's how it fits into this larger picture, figuring out how to make the infrastructure of civilization actually regenerative.
I get a chance to learn new techniques and new things just by eavesdropping.
Just the deep expertise of each individual that comes here, whether they're a student or whether they're an instructor, it's just like, wow, there's so much to learn from everybody.
Here, everybody's kind of on the same page, and so you can go farther with the conversation.
A lot of it's networking and connecting and having the shared meals.
I think that's what it feels like. It feels like you get to get your hands dirty in mushroom substrate and cob and clay. You get to build things that are beautiful. You get to advance methods, techniques, and schools of thought that make the world a better place, that make the broken things heal a little more. And I think it makes a big difference.